Last time we discussed the data types in Python, and the data type are interested data types that we discussed. Sequence data type are very much powerful and interested in the next coming chapters. So after the data types, we are going to discuss about the various operators available in Python, because without the operators we cannot do or write programs. In every language, you know the existence of operators in programming language, how the operators can be used in the programming language, what is their purpose, what is their speciality. In every language there is the speciality of some specific operators. Here is also some special or different operators available than the languages that you know. So which are the basic operators in Python? If we go through the basic operators, the transparency or the slide describe these operators. दिसतंय तुम्हाला slide? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are the Python basic operators. Python language supports following types of operators. First, arithmetic operator. Second one is comparison operator. Third one is logical or relational operators. Fourth one is assignment operator. Then conditional or ternary operators. So if we go through the detail of these operators, how the operators can work: plus, minus, star, slash, modulus, exponent, floor division. These are the arithmetic operators available in Python. So this addition operator performs in this fashion, and as per our lectures that we see in Python shell, we can directly perform the arithmetic operation without defining the variable type of the particular variable. And that's why if we directly perform a plus b, before that you must assign the values of a plus b, then automatically it puts the value before you on shell, like that. Similarly, the subtraction operator works. Similarly, multiplication works. Similarly, division works. Divide left hand operand by right hand operand, like that. B by A. Whatever the values are given here, that result is dependent on the values of the particular operators. Modulus operator is there. Exponent is there. You can compute the exponent or power of the particular number. So you can initialize the exponent operator in this fashion. Floor division is one of the new operator available in Python. The division of operands where the result is the quotient in which the digits after the decimal points are removed. For example, is given here 9 floor division 2 is equal to 4, and that's why 9.0 floor division 2.0 is equal to 4.0. All of you know that why this result is 4. So these are the arithmetic operator. Basically for your practice work, you can perform these operations in Python shell and perform the operators by assigning various values and display your results. Are very simple, and all of you know that in every language the operators are common. Next type of operator is there, that is the Python comparison operator. Everybody knows that these operators are very favorite. All of you know that the operators. No any new operator is added in Python because these are common. Equal to operator, check the value of two operands are equal or not. If yes, then condition becomes true. We can assign the value and check it. Not equal to operator is there, exclamatory mark, equal to, checks the value of two operands are equal or not. If values are not equal, then condition is true. This is the operator are equal or not. If values are not equal, then condition becomes true. This is greater than, this is less